Good morning guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are on the MSC Virtuosa Cruise ship and we are exploring Lisbon, so we hope you enjoy this video. Let's get straight into it. Also, this is actually our last video for the MSC Virtuosa.
So, good morning from Lisbon, Portugal. What are you distracted by?
I'm not sure where to go.
Yeah, we got out the cruise, as you can see, and we're out the port. Yeah. And we're trying to look for shops and like a nice area.
Shops?
Shops.
You said shops.
That's nice of you. Look at that, isn't it? That's cool. I want to go to that.
The statue?
Yeah.
That's
so
years away.
we're coming looking for shops and just like a nice area to walk around, have a look.
Yeah.
And explore Lisbon. So come with us.
We have found a souvenir shop. I repeat, we found a souvenir shop.
So we found a souvenir shop, and we're going to have a look in. Oh, stairs. And we're going to have a look more around. Yeah, we're not good at English today.
It's getting sunnier. It's
getting sunnier, which is good. It's getting warmer. We're all both wearing jumpers because it was a bit cold when we got off the cruise.
Yes.
We believe we found a centre area now. When we got off the cruise normally, there's normally signs saying which way it is to centre, but there wasn't here. We kind of you were already in the centre. Yeah, this looks nice. Hola. Hola. Good ball.
Managed to find a lot of people. Oh sure. Yeah, it is quite uphill. Might take us a while to get there though.
Yeah, we're going to look in shops.
That is cool. More and more souvenir shops. They are actually. Yeah, definitely walked up a hill though.
Yeah.
More. No idea.
No idea where we're going.
There's a massive crowd, it must be good though.
It looks like a maze, this place.
Yeah, I know. And there's loads of souvenir shops too. Oh, how much do you think they're closed from there? Another souvenir shop. There's so many on this road.
It's weird. Whoa, that's weird. Well, a mannequin.
Why is there mannequins?
We have found ourselves, it looks like a church, and we always like looking in churches because they're quite beautiful. So we kind of like were at the front of a walking tour by mistake, and we sort of stood walking away at the front, and now they're all following us, and the leader is not with them.
What do we do? Should we stop? Do we stop walking?
They're all following us, and
what do we do?
we think they think we're the leader.
Oh no, they're slowing down, they're stopping. Oh, there's a car coming.
Ah, we're gonna get run over. So we're currently stopped somewhere using a Wi-Fi that's here, and then I think I'm just looking at my maps on my phone, and I think I found somewhere for us to go. So I've been looking at Wi-Fi, and I have a plan.
Why? Looking at Wi-Fi?
I said that wrong. So I've been looking at the maps, and I've got a plan. Orange trees. So we're up again and walking. I am leading the way because I looked at the maps.
Which way do we go and what side do we start with?
Just go down that main road there.
There's one here, and then how which side do we go?
Just this side, stay on the left side.
Do you want to go to Lisbon first then, or?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at the hill up there.
Oh.
Let's go.
So we were just walking and then...
Do you want to cross the road and go here?
Yeah.
There seems to be a lot more on this side.
So we were just walking along and there seemed to be a run going on, so there was loads of police everywhere and we were scared to cross the road.
They were shouting really loud.
Yeah.
Oh,
so my plan isn't the best plan, but it is a plan.
whoa! I kind of want to go down there.
Kind of want to go down there? We can do. It might be the street I was looking for, but I think the next one is.
Whoa. Oh wow! What is that?
This is the main street of the Daxia Area. I don't know how to say it. It's Daxia. Pop it on the screen. Boom.
Power of editing.
Which way do you want to go? We can go up. This is the main street.
I want to go in there first, see if there's a Pepsi.
Okay.
I assume it's going to be expensive tourist things though. Are you not going in this one? Oh. Maybe it's not what I meant then. That is pretty though. Shall we walk to it?
Yeah.
I mean, we are really, aren't we? What does that look? On the... It looks nice though. A lot more sunny. Me? There's a man. Should we go learn about it? Let's go learn about it. Me and you will. Where are my new shoes too? I love my Skechers. So many tours going on. I feel like, you know, joining in there. Kind of thought there'd be like souvenir shops here. Souvenir shops actually where the Cokes and Pepsis are. We are now leaving this main square, maybe?
Yeah.
We've got our Pepsis and we're going to walk along the riverfront back to the cruise. We're just going to walk that way. Cruise in the background, someone feeding pigeons. We also have live music. Seems like a really nice little centre bit. That is a beach that way actually, when you go that way. Ice cream, loads of people, places to sit down. It's really nice. And then you've also got the main square bit there. And Jacob talking to a tuk-tuk person. Jacob has absolutely no sense of money at all. He's just spent €6 each. Oh, and now he's going to run over on them. Are you kidding me? Oh my god, spoons?
In it.
Nice view though, I guess.
Yeah, that open it.
Oh. It's a bit chilly, doesn't it? Hi, Jacob.
Hi.
Alright, should we head back to the cruise?
Yeah.
We'll slowly go back that way. You can literally see the cruise from here, actually. That's quite a cool sighting on the cruise, isn't it?
I find it weird looking at it while it's one of one mile. It's like it shouldn't be there.
It's where all our belongings are right now, including passports.
Nope.
We do have ID on us. Yeah, they're in our suitcase. We do have ID though. We have driving license.
Yeah.
Got all the hats.
Metro. We have a metro here. I believe this is
Nice and sunny now.
Oh, nice wind. This is probably the ferry terminal.
Yeah. And then the port has us. We've had one more stop.
Yeah.
Which is just like a tour thing, but it actually looks, it's a tour place. You get like boats and stuff. But it's actually really nice.
Yeah, it is.
They also have a cool bridge. I don't know. Here you come. Right there. Whoa, my hair's crazy. So before we get on the cruise, we have actually decided that we're going to do a little bit of editing because we do have 3 full videos that we haven't put together yet. So we are going to do that, and then I think we're going to walk across to the beach. Nope.
Shit.
The port. It would have been so cute if we did that.
That size, like passport size.
Alright, that.
Why not do the funny one?
Because that's €2 for one. Let's just go to the market then. You are so boring. That would have been so cute. A Lisbon little, oh, it would have been so cute. Oh my god. Oh, there's more here. 120, there you go. Oh, I'm going to get Fanta because I don't want...
Should we get 2 each?
Oh wait, well what about if we're not allowed it on though?
We'll drink them.
That woman that we just brought them from in the market said that last week it was 26 and now it's freezing and burning.
Wait, it's sunny but really windy and cold.
Yeah. We have a lovely view while looking back, don't we?
Yeah, that is really nice.
I thought these were chewing gum, they're not, they're rocks.
How do you think cruise ships are beautiful?
Well, I suppose that means we're this way then.
Cycling in the round.
It's not quite that, we have to go up here, it looks quite nice.
Yeah. We just got through security and I've just realised
There's a massive duty free too.
there's a massive duty free, and also I've just realised I've nearly done £10 steps again for like the 4th day in a row.
I think we've done 15,000 a day.
Yeah. We are now going onto the ship. Finishing all the shops
I don't know
and
if it was duty free.
trying to find our way onto the ship actually.
Also wanted to say happy 1st of the month. Today is the 1st of May. We have just finished our day in Lisbon, Portugal, and that is probably the end of this vlog, but if we do get up to anything that is cool or entertaining, we'll also put that in here. So if it is the end of the vlog, I hope you enjoyed, and please give it a thumbs up because it really helps us. Bye! That is close!